Using the scale command. We can use the scale command to proportionately either enlarge or reduce the size of objects. Remember, we always draw things the true size and shape in model space in AutoCAD. So these are not used for printing purposes, if you will. We will always draw things that's real size. But there are some times when we drew something already and we need another one and we need it exactly twice or 3 times the size of it. So we are going to go and use the scale command. And the scale command is found up in the modify, and we're going to go and pick on the scale command. It'll ask us to select the objects. I'm going to pick them with a crossing window here. You can pick them in any matter, and you can hit enter. Then you pick a base point. I like to pick a base point somewhere in the middle of the object. Doesn't really matter exactly where. And then I want to use a scale factor. So if I want it twice as big, I'm going to use 2. If I want it half as small, I'm going to use 0.5. So I'm going to go with, I want it to be 3 times bigger, so I type in 3. You can see that it made it a lot bigger. I'm going to have to zoom out in order to see it. Alright, again, if I wanted to go and use the scale command and make it smaller, so I pick a point. If I wanted it smaller, in other words, I want it to be 50%, I have to use 0.5. Okay, and now we just use the scale command to reduce the size of the objects.